Ka jingken mau buram ya kalengku dap shis nampura u Dr. Don Kuparoy khar. Kelalong menta kasni kata arfra tarik naitung arja arpau. Ha kani kasni kan mau buram le don rengkat u Chief Minister ke jilla Miklia Konrad K sama u lampang kaying dorbar tau ain ba met ba lendo. Bar katu kani ki he sokar barengkat ki bahi ngasem ki belai bu sentiu kerpang ha ka jentep ke jong u. Kumban cupkan mau biang u Dr. Don Kuparoy ulalong teng u Chief Minister ke jilla Miklia ulabat ru kum ulang pang kaying dorbar tau ain ke jilla Miklia ba kum juru kum u Presiden jong ka UDP. Bat ulah klat no ha ka nong ba Delhi na ka jing shitom ka jong u kata ha ka arfra tarik unaitung ar hajar khat kandai.
Pergi ke jong pi ke bersiam ke bersekolah nak ke buka ke yang kesem ke jong ni. Kedua yang belai bondon lam rengkat berpi bondon
We are here today in Chatap, where the body of late Dr. Don Kuparoy was laid to rest. And it's been 1 year now, and we are all here to remember Dr. Don on the first death anniversary. And we all came together with other legislatures and other ministers and their party leaders from the UDP, and we've come here to remember Dr. Don and to pay our respects to him. And as I said, it's been 1 year now, and it's still a very emotional moment, even for me. So we all remember him and we all miss him, and it's another reminder for us to continue working in the principles and guidelines that he had laid down for us. So at this point in time, we once again pay our respects to him, and we remember Dr. Don and we miss him.